welcome to my channel. XOXO Sheba here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. And if you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. It's been so long, but I'm actually back with a synthetic wig. I actually have another synthetic wig that I literally recorded, saved on here, and never put out, but that's neither here nor there right now. I picked up the latest wig from Sensationnel's What Lace collection. This is Glenna, a 13x6 wig, and I have mine in the color, what did I get, balayage chocolate. Y'all know I love a good balayage chocolate. It does have a pre-plucked hairline and it is HD lace, and y'all, I love synthetic wigs HD lace. It's just always impeccable. Now the wig here does come pre-plucked, but y'all know me, you know I plucked. I plucked the baby hairs out of it because I'm not a big baby hair fan. Y'all know I typically do the no baby hair installs. But if you don't typically pluck these kinds of wigs, I don't really think you'll need to. I just like to really get in there, you know, give it a natural hairline. Now, if you do choose to pluck it yourself, be careful, because what I forgot about, since I've been dealing with a lot of human hair lately, is that wigs, when it comes to synthetic, easily get holes. But luckily, it's right on the hairline where I'm gonna be cutting anyway, so it don't really matter. And this is the kind of 13x6 that it is. You know what 13x6, it used to be like the whole thing was full, but I would say since the pandemic started, it's like we'll give you all the space to the back, but not on the side. Y'all gonna have to deal on the side. So I'm gonna take this V part off and we're gonna put this wig on. So I started out by doing a not so bald cap using my L'Oreal True Match pressed powder and putting that all on the cap to tint it up. The wig on, I was surprised. It is so pretty. I was loving this unit. I was surprised it didn't have an elastic band though, but it's fine. We'll work with it. It's giving human hair. That is a whole vibe and a half. I'm so happy that Sensationnel has moved away from that gray ashy lace we used to have a few years back. If you know, you know. But it looks like sis is good for some ear-to-ear full coverage, so you won't have to leave your sides out, because if you like me, and I know some of you are, we typically have to leave a little bit of our sides out. I still might have to, just like a tad bit, but it's not bad. I do think it is secure enough for you to wear this glueless. And if you feel like it needs to be a little bit tighter, because I would consider this closer to big head friendly, I would just say, you know, just tighten the straps in the. I'm using the same powder that I was using on my bald cap. Well, not so bald cap. I'm using the same powder to tint my lace up. So I'm gonna use my Ebin lace spray and just spray my hairline real quick. Not too much, because I still got other wigs to review. And then I'm gonna just set this on the hairline where I want it. The point of putting on the lace, I do feel like it still is very comfortable, still very big head friendly. I'm great with the sizing. My ears are mostly covered. I mean, no wig ever really fully covers me ear to ear, but it's enough. Like, it's working for me. Y'all, I did such a good job on that pluck job. Like, it already looks like it's coming out my scalp. I'm gonna cut the lace. Y'all already know I said in every video we're gonna cut jagged, because that's gonna allow the lace to melt into your skin a whole lot easier than if you cut straight across. Cutting straight across is gonna make it look like you're wearing a wig. Like, the hair fibers were pretty low maintenance. I didn't have a whole lot of issues with tangling and shedding, you know, as much as you should expect with the kind of wig that it is. It is a longer wig, but it didn't give me too many issues once I got rid of all the hair that I plucked out of it. So Ebin lace spray back on the lace that I chopped up so it would melt back down and disappear. And then I cut off my circulation with an elastic band so we could get that nice melt what lace kind of action going on. This hair is so pretty. It's giving like blowout 90s kind of vibe, so I really wanted to keep that. So I'm only flattening it down towards the back and not too much, because I really want to maintain the volume, especially because it has so many layers. Like, I really want to maintain that vibe. Oh, I should have did a ball cap, because this hairline is giving. It looks like it is coming out of my scalp. I'm going to go ahead and tint the lace using the same foundation I have on my face, just so it all blends completely. Like, what wig? What wig for real? But anyway, so I plucked it too good, which is why I said I should have did a ball cap. So I'm taking my contour palette in the darkest brown shade that I have to match the hair a little bit, and I'm trying to cover that up, which it did the job that I needed to do, but I also felt like it made my hairline look a lot bulkier than it did if I'd have just did a ball cap. Like, I should have just did a ball cap, guys. But oh well, it still turned out cute. Love a good 13x6, because look how far back that part goes. I tinted it up using a little powder, and this was the final result. This hair is so pretty. Glenna is that girl. She's not too different than what you would normally get from any unit, but she's still cute. If you want it, the link is down in the description. All right, bye. If you don't